Hey guys, we're making Oreo popcorn today. Let's get right into it. First of all, we're going to get our chocolate separate to melt it. So this is the chocolate we've got. It's really hot, so if you're doing this, please be careful at home. I'm gonna chuck it in this bowl and mix it with this popcorn. And this is unflavored popcorn, so I know I need to hurry up a little bit so the chocolate don't harden up. Time to smash some Oreos. Everything I'm doing today is new to me, so flashback much? Just gonna do half the packet first and see how that goes. Gold, please stop. Gold, please stop. Gee, thanks. Alright, we have our Oreo popcorn. It looks exactly the way it looked in the video that she did, so I'm really glad about that. The real thing is, does it taste good though? Let's try with this one. That looks so good. I can't taste the Oreo. There's a hint of it, but it just blends in with the chocolate. That's so annoying. Would I eat the rest of this? Yes. Will I make it again? Too much work. Is it good? Absolutely. I just can't taste the Oreos. Really, like I wanted there to be a big Oreo flavour, but there's only like a slight hint of Oreo in there. And the chocolate is really the flavour on there. If you want to make these for fun, go for it. I think it was really fun to do. Yeah, I don't know. It just wasn't what I imagined it would be. But that's today's video. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.